You know, we've had several decisions that people have said are landmark decisions around the state. The Popov case, a foreclosure case, was dismissed, and our client was left in his home because the person suing him didn't have the right to sue him. Our case, Wells Fargo versus Kushta, is now going to be heard by the Ohio Supreme Court, where we're fighting for the ability to reopen old foreclosure cases where people were foreclosed on using fraudulent documents. You may have heard of robo-signing. That's the kind of fraudulent document that we're talking about. That would be put in front of a court before a homeowner really has the chance to figure out what's happening to them. You know, many people think that the foreclosure itself, being sued and being served with a lawsuit, is the end. But what people who are being foreclosed on need to understand is that that's just the beginning. The burden of proof in a foreclosure case is entirely on the lender. It's entirely on the bank. And they have to prove each and every element of their case. And they have to bring in evidence, and they have to bring in witnesses, and they have to be able to get that evidence admitted into court. And what we found is when you put lenders, particularly lenders for loans that originated between 2001 and 2009 to the test, that they can't muster the evidence necessary to get that case all the way through trial. Now, what that does for people who want to stay in their home is create the kind of legal leverage that will allow us to negotiate a good outcome, a modification of the loan, even in many cases a reduction of the principal of somebody's mortgage to less than they owe, making it make sense to stay there, keeping families together, keeping kids in the same school district that they've gone to their entire lives. And that's why this work is so fulfilling, because simply by doing a good job as a lawyer, holding the banks, holding the lenders accountable to the rules of evidence, to the requirements of proof that any other litigant in any Ohio court is held to, we're able to bring about those very good results for our clients.